To keep your business growing and your customers happy, you need to make sure your data is always available and fully protected, no matter where it resides, on premises, at a remote site, or in the cloud. Critical operations can be brought to a halt in an instant by any number of threats, including cyber attacks like ransomware, hardware failures, natural disasters, or human error. To avoid negative impact on your profitability, productivity, and brand reputation, it's vital to ensure that your data is protected off-site by a solution that's easy to use, scalable, and affordable. Veeam Cloud Connect offers fast and secure backup and replication to the cloud, all from a single web-based console. It's already built into Veeam Backup and Replication, so you can harness the power of the cloud to keep your data safe and your business protected in a matter of minutes. Whether you need to send backups off-site or secure your most critical workloads with a DRaaS solution that provides reliably low RPOs, Veeam has you covered. Getting started is as easy as selecting a service provider from our global networks of partners, and Veeam makes it easy to choose by verifying off-site backup and DRaaS competency partners. Pointing your backup or replication jobs to the cloud is easy, and there's no need to invest in the upfront costs of a second site. Let our competency partner experts manage the process for you so you can shift your focus toward growing your core business and planning for what's next. Take full advantage of Veeam Data Platform and the benefits of the cloud by protecting your data with Veeam-powered BaaS and DRaaS.